First, check if your secure boot is enabled or disabled. Press your keyboard, Windows key plus R to open run shortcut. Type msinfo32 and enter. Make sure your BIOS mode is UEFI so you can use Secure Boot in the BIOS. And check the Secure Boot state. If it's off, follow me on how to enable Secure Boot. I have 3 tutorials for Gigabyte, MSI, and Asus motherboards. Restart your PC. Go to BIOS. Press Delete repeatedly. Select BIOS. Disable CSM support. Select Secure Boot and change to Enable. That's it. Save and exit setup. Follow me. Restart your PC. Go to BIOS. Press Delete repeatedly. Go to Search. Type Secure Boot and change to Enabled. Click Exit and click Yes for reboot. That's it. Follow me. Restart your PC. Go to BIOS. Press Delete repeatedly. Next, go to Boot. Select CSM Compatibility Support module. Disable Launch CSM. And click OK. Go back and select Secure Boot. Change the OS type to Windows UEFI mode. Select Key Management and click Install Default Secure Boot Keys. Click Yes. Save changes and exit. That's it.